Question number 1. Which country has the Gir forest, home to Asiatic lions? Answer B. India. Question number 2. Male lions are known for their. Answer A. Manner. Question number 3. Which sense is most developed in lions for hunting? Answer C. Hearing. Question number 4. Lions are mainly active during. Answer A. Nighttime. Question number 5. Lions belong to which animal family? Answer C. Felidae. Question number 6. What is a group of lions called? Answer B. Pride. Like, share, comments, subscribe. And thanks for watching.